Today, our topic is all about the experimental and theoretical probability. Let us review first about the meaning of probability. Okay, so everyone, can you read the meaning?
Probability is a branch of mathematics that studies uncertainty and chance. It deals with predicting possible outcomes of random events and is widely used in statistics, science, and real-life decision-making.
Okay, pag sinabi natin anak probability, it is also a branch of mathematics. Last meeting, statistics tayo, tama? So today, probability. So ano nga ba yung probability? Okay, studies uncertainty and chance. It deals with predicting possible outcomes of an experiment. Meaning, magkakaroon tayo dito ng experiment. So, example of experiment, tossing a coin or flipping a coin. In other words, when we say probability, tells us how likely something to happen. Okay, so meaning, meron kang experiment, then gagawin mo yung experiment para makuha mo yung magiging outcome, and that is an example of probability. Okay, a probability, it can be written as fraction. Pwede rin po siyang decimal, okay, or percent. Okay, so this time, so this is the probability table or the measure of chance. So 0% impossible to happen, 25 or 0.25 unlikely. So we have equally likely 0.5 or 50%. Kapag 0.75 likely and then 100% certain, meaning mangyayari talaga. Okay, so using this circle, so we can illustrate it. Kapag impossible, walang shade. Meaning never. When we say unlikely, so out of 4, isa lang yung may shade. And that is 1 point yun, so fraction. Okay, again, ilan yung may shade, anak? Dalawa. And then nahati sa 4. So 2 over 4 are just simply 1/2, 50% po yun. Kapag dito, ilan ang may shade, anak? 3 out of 4. So 3/4 siya. And then kapag lahat may shade, 1 over 1 or just simply 1. Kapag naman anak sa percent, 0%, 1/4, 25%, 1/2, 50%, 3 over 4, 75, and 1 is 100%. That is the measure of chance. This time, tell whether each event is impossible, possible, or certain. When we say impossible, 0%, possible, 50%, and certain, 100%. Number 1, a mother will give birth to twins. Yes, Garcia? This answer is correct. The answer is possible. Why? Kasi anak, hindi naman lahat ng nanay ay nag-aanak ng kambal. Pero may mga nanay na nag-aanak ng kambal. So, possible siya. Posibleng manganak ng kambal ang isang nanay, pero hindi lahat ng nanay ay kambal yung inaanak. Minsan, single lang, isa lang. So, that is possible lang po. Okay, next, number 2. Tamarind is sour. What is tamarind? Sampalok. Ano yung sour? Sino? Okay, ang sampalok ba ay maasim? Okay, impossible, possible, or certain? Okay, very good, certain. Next, number 3. You will go sunbathing tonight. Anyone who wants to answer? Silva, why anak? Yes. When we say sunbathing, kailangan mo ng sun. Ay, may sun ba sa gabi? Okay, therefore, impossible. Next, a carnival will climb a tree. Impossible, possible, or certain? Impossible. Next, number 5. A snake will swim in water. Okay, possible kasi po, may mga snake na naninirahan sa water or tubig. And number 6, you will make it to the list of top 10 students in your class. Okay, dito anak, possible, iba-iba na tayo ng sagot. Depende ito sa kakayahan natin. So kung alam mo sa sarili mo na makakapasok ka at 100%, therefore your answer is certain. Pero kapag masipag ka naman, tapos pumapasok araw-araw, then may konting, or may stock knowledge ka, and then at the same time, yung sipag talaga yung nananaig doon, pwedeng possible na makapasok ka. Pero kung wala sa nabanggit lahat ng sinabi ko, impossible po. Do you understand? Okay.